I'm going to be showing you how you can upload your videos the right way and boost your views in order to also get engagement and subscribers. Now, not all videos will actually do well on YouTube. Some videos might do better than other videos. However, if you do the right thing, you have the tendency of YouTube recommending that particular video to the right audience. So in this video today, I will be showing you how you can upload your videos the right way and how you can master your YouTube studio. Now, if you want to progress on YouTube, one thing that you should learn is how to master your YouTube studio, how to read your analytics, and how to understand if a particular video is doing well or have the probability of doing well in the future. These are the things I am going to be showing you in this video. So if this is the kind of video you want to watch, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video is dropping. So quickly, let us dive in. I am going to be sharing my phone screen with you, so please just pay key attention to get what I want to explain to you. If you want to upload your videos, in fact, when I started YouTube newly, I started uploading with this plus sign, okay? But eventually, I started seeing videos that are popping up that I am not uploading my videos the right way. Now, I want to correct that myth. Now, this is also YouTube product. YouTube has told you can upload from this place also. YouTube know that it is possible that when you upload from this place, the video also will be shown to people. But there are two different things involved. When you upload from this particular normal YouTube app, you find out that there are some certain settings that you might not be able to put in place. However, let me show you. If you upload your videos like this, it will also show you this place where you can put your description. It will show you either you should make this video public or private. It will also even show you if your videos are altered content or not. Some of these settings it will show you. But now, it will not be able to show you where you can upload your thumbnails. Are you seeing it? Okay. So now, when you upload your videos through this YouTube video app, put it on private or unlisted. Now, on private simply means that it is only you who can see this particular video with no other person. But when you put it in unlisted, that unlisted shows that you can share the link of this particular video to people, and people will be able to watch this video using this link. It then means that this video will not be published to the public, okay? But if you click on public, it will automatically be published to public. Every other person will be able to see this video. Now, there's one bonus tip I want to give you. If you publish this video to public, immediately you upload this video, it will not give YouTube the appropriate time in order to push your videos to the right audience. So most times I do advise people or YouTubers that if you want to publish your videos, start from, let's say, 4 to 5 hours before the time you want that video to go public, okay? Just push that video there and you can schedule that video. I prefer scheduling my videos instead of putting it on private or unlisted, unless I am doing a tutorial or I am doing like a teaching and I just want my students to go there and check for that particular video, okay? So that means that you can upload your videos from this YouTube app, but you can put it on private. When you put it on private, it remains there. YouTube is not publishing it. Then you will now move into the Google Chrome of your YouTube channel and also do some adjustments like adding your thumbnails, adding your tags. And most times when you put these videos on private, you find out that you might remember, okay, I need to change the title, okay, I need to adjust this particular thing or that, okay, or the description is not really speaking well about this video. You can go back and do the adjustment. You see how easy it is, okay? These are the two things. Now, if you upload your video using this YouTube app, it does not mean it's going to affect your views, because I hear people say, okay, because you did not schedule your video for the right time, that's why the views are dropping. It is not true. It does not mean it will affect your views. It only means that some certain settings might not really be put in place because of the way that you uploaded your videos. You might not be able to put your thumbnails just like this, but your descriptions, you can put it. Sometimes even your tags, okay? Now, these are very, very important. So for all the settings to take place, you can upload your videos this way. Go to your Google Chrome setting of your YouTube studio and do all the necessary adjustments that you need to do. That is number one. Now, the number two thing is, how do you master your analytics on your YouTube studio? Now, for you to grow on YouTube, the first thing you should learn is your YouTube studio, because in your YouTube studio, it tends to tell you the performance of that channel. It tells you the performance of your videos. It also tells you the audience. It tells you when your audience are active. It tells you a whole lot of things. Now, there's something very, very important in your YouTube studio that you have to master. The both of you have to be 5 and 6. That is your impression click-through rate. Okay, now if you click through this, your impression click-through rate, you'll find out that this particular video is either doing well or not. How many people swipe watch this video? Maybe 2 seconds. Another thing is, how far, average of how many time do people watch this video? Is it 1 minute? Is it 1 second? Do people just swipe away because they are not interested? Now, this will tell you, okay, at what point do people get bored about this video? All right, this impression click-through rate will tell you, okay, this is the reason why people are not interested in this video. Now, I've said it over and over that your videos have to get engagement for YouTube to be able to push this video out. Okay, if your videos are getting low engagement, people are not, commenting. You see that comment, like, let's leave share. Okay, you see the comments, the likes, the dislikes, yes, even the dislikes. Okay, YouTube tend to look at it and know that, okay, people are engaging on this particular video, and tend to push it. First thing that YouTube do is that when you upload a video, even as a small YouTuber, they tend to show it to a small community of people, and those community of people might be, in fact, they are your subscribers. They are the people who they think that are supposed to watch your videos. Now, if this video gets a click and people were able to watch it to a particular average time, let's say 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or thereabout, or half of the video, in fact, it is even recommended that they watch to the end of the video, okay, and they engage. It might not be a comment, it might be a like. That like alone will make YouTube say, okay, people are really engaging on this video, and then they push it out to those who are not your subscribers. Okay, the more people are watching it, the more they are recommending that particular video to other people, and that video is going far. Okay, now another thing also is, you have to check your traffic source. Anytime you look at, you check your YouTube channel and your traffic source is coming from external sources, like other channel page, other external sources, just like it is listed here. If there is no YouTube recommendation, then there is a problem for you in that video. Now, I want you to know something. Most times, as a small YouTuber, YouTube do not recommend your videos as early as possible. Only when engagement starts coming into your videos and to your channel, that YouTube will start recommending your videos. And anytime YouTube start recommending your videos, just know that your channel have hit it. That milestone, your channel have hit it. Even if you have not gotten the 1,000 subscribers, just know that your channel has hit it. So any video you have that is probably doing well or not doing well, you should go through this impression click-through rate to know why this video is not doing well. Now, in the case of that recommendation, take a look at your tags. Okay, sometimes we jam pack a whole lot of tags that are confusing to the algorithm, so the algorithm tend to wonder who are the right audience that I'm supposed to push this particular video to. So in a case where it doesn't know the right audience to push this video to, you find it very, very difficult for the algorithm find it difficult to get your right audience. So you see your tags, don't jump pack tags that are not related to your videos, and maintain consistency with your tags. Any video, as you are keying in your keywords into the channel setting of your YouTube studio, make sure that those keywords you are using it consistently, and those tags you are using it consistently, because over time YouTube will tend to work with these particular things. Okay, one important tip that you need to know: Have another channel, maybe a new channel. Okay, so anytime you upload your video, within the first 24 hours of uploading that videos, I am not saying you should be switching. It can be maybe a family friend, your brother, your sister, you understand, that has subscribed to your channel. Now, once that person has subscribed to your channel, please, anytime you upload a video, you can tell the person, please just go and help me and watch that video and leave a like or a comment on that particular video. Once that is done, it is sending a signal to the algorithm that, oh, people are beginning to, like this video. Keep doing what you are doing. These settings, put them in place. Look at your tags. Let me just rephrase it. Look at your tags. If you want to upload, please try as much as possible to schedule your videos or put it on private. If you put it on private or unlisted, leave it for at least 5 hours to 24 hours. Okay, it is a matter of choice. It is that is done. Please also make sure that you go through your analytics every day. Visit it, like, let's say every day. Let me say every 2 hours or 4 hours, so that you understand how your video is doing and how it is working out. So, and you don't know that particular video that will do well, it tends to mean that you have to upload videos. Try as much as possible to upload videos consistently. That consistently, I tell new YouTubers, should not be twice in a week or once in a week. I do not see it as being consistent because you're a new YouTuber. Okay, try as much as possible to make it 3 to 4 times in a week as you are just starting. Then when you are balanced, you can choose the days you are uploading your videos. And do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video is dropping. It's Chomsy 2000. See you next in our next video. Bye.